definitely a nice break from the cold. The snow melt is causing flooding, which is a major problem for some homeowners. Now, Stephanie Quirk is live tonight. Steph, you tagged along with the crew working to fix these issues. What did you find out?
Hey, Bria, that's right. It's particularly basement flooding is where these crews are seeing most of these issues in homes across the city right now. But what they tell me is there are ways you can prevent it. As the snow and ice melt away.
Snow first started falling with the weight of it. There was a lot of trees down on houses.
This thaw is now creating the perfect storm for another major problem.
Flooding is now the issue.
Dripping and leaking in basements across southeast Wisconsin.
Big ice sheds with all this mounds of snow on roofs, freezing right on the gutter lines and leaking into homes.
We tagged along with James Stossmeister and his crew from Paul Davis Restoration on one of their jobs.
Here is specifically sort of an ice dam balcony issue.
These workers are breaking down the problem.
If you don't, it's bad.
Before the consequences get worse.
You're gonna get rot, mold, growth.
But while Stossmeister says some flooding is difficult to prevent,
So it's kind of inevitable. There are backups you can do.
those things include raking snow and ice off the roof, along with keeping a backup battery for your sump pump.
Power was out. Some pumps can't pump the water out. Basement's gonna flood.
But his biggest piece of advice,
Obviously, water leaking out of somewhere is not good.
it's always safest to call in the experts.
You feel like something's wrong and they can guide you in whatever way.
To avoid a major headache later.
And this crew also says to make sure you're clearing your gutter whenever you're cleaning the ice and snow off your roofs. That's another tip to avoid these issues. Reporting in Milwaukee, Stephanie Quirk, Fox 6 News.
Good tips. Thanks, Steph.